Hi everyone, welcome today on Wednesday. Yes, it's already Wednesday, February the 24th, 2021. We have here three regular Sudokus. A binary one, 10 by 10, a medium Sudoku, and a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. Three regular Sudokus. By the way, there's also in this newspaper an additional with extra Sudokus, with 8 extra Sudokus. But first, we will do the regular Sudokus. The first one is a binary. This will be number. Let me position that. Yeah. All right. This will be number 2, 3, 7, 2. Yeah. 2, 3, 7, 2. All right. And I've told you this one is 10 by 10. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. I see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones. So the fifth one should be in one of these 3 boxes. Otherwise, we have 3 O's in a row in this column. So it's not allowed. So the rest are O's. Alright. Here we have 4 O's, and the fifth O should be between those 2. Otherwise, we have 4 ones in a row, not allowed. So this should be a 1 and this should be a 1. Alright. Here we have also 4 O's, and the fifth O should be in one of these 4 boxes. Otherwise, we have 4 ones in a row in this column, not allowed. So the rest are ones. Alright. And do we have more 4? No. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. And I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4th O and the 5th O. So this should be a 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Yeah. 2, 3, 4. Between an O and a 1, there's always an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the 5th one should be in one of these 3 boxes. So this should be an O and this should be an O. between two O's comes in 1, double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I place number 5 here, then we still have 4 ones in a row. So this cannot be an O, this should be a 1. If I place the O here, the 5th O, then we still have 3 ones in a row. Not allowed. So this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this should be a 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I place number 5, the 5th O here, then we still have 3 ones in a row. So this cannot be an O, this should be a 1. Alright, double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5, if I place number 5 here, then we still have 3 ones in a row. So the O cannot be here. This should be a 1. If I place a number 5 here, the 5th O, then we still have 3 ones in a row. Not allowed. One of the rules, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Alright, double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the rest are ones. Alright, between two O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dit is number 5, the 5th O. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Finished in 8 minutes. Alright. Great binary without, missing 2 boxes. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O. Yes, now it's finished. Yes. I like this binary without comparing. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. See you then. Bye bye for now.